It's a pontoon. It's only what 2.4 is it? 2.4 meter long.
Yeah, 2.4 meter.
Yeah. So even for us, in terms of storage, because once you stack them up, because these can all stand up on its own, right? So to show you. Because like this is how it can stand. So in terms of storage, like we don't need a lot of space for quite a few of them.
Actually, for rental, you all will be using this?
Yes, yes, because it's more durable and you don't have to pump it up every day, so it makes it lighter.
Do you have to pump the air?
Yes, it's all in here. Not these ones.
No, this one is, you don't need to inflate anything.
Yeah, you don't need to inflate it.
No.
It's solid, yeah.
Okay.
But what is true when they ship it over, because they just put it onto the as the normal luggage, right? It's oversized luggage. So it just got flattened out a bit.
So everything is here.
Actually, how long do you need to set up the whole thing?
For this one?
Yeah.
For me, 5 minutes.
Okay.
I was saying this is our virgin ride in Singapore.
But did you actually approach Sentosa for this?
That's it. We talked to MPA, is it?
Oh, MPA.
Yeah.
That's for C.
For the C, because I was thinking when we want to do the consumer version, I can just see that the consumers may want to just take it out along East Coast Park, but that would just be the seawater, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's where I think we would need to get the approval.
Did you get the approval already?
No, not yet. Yeah, because they want us to show them, what it looks like when it rides on waves and stuff. So we have yet to get some videos to prove
Any
that.
particular person you've been in touch with?
Because I just sent it through the link there. So it's this lady that called me. I couldn't remember, and I have the emails in my email box.
Okay. I asked because, actually, inside this got nothing to do with MPA. Inside this, purely to be an outside.
It's a separate, right? Yeah.
Let's take photo.
So I don't need any tools to do this.
Yeah, quite a lot. Phong is something that
So I think somebody is going to pay power and don't want to walk. Normally, if the bar is on the front, will be secondary.
Is this the jetty where the canoe? Because I saw some pictures of some, canoeing activities. Is that where they would get on and off from here?
Actually, we use use of that pontoon.
Oh.
That one is more suitable for dragon boating and kayaking.
I see.
This one is more for our motorboat or river taxi.
Is that the river taxi coming here right now already?
If there's booking, they will come here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay. Yeah, because it's very simple. I just want to show you.
it a stainless steel?
All stainless steel.
Yeah, otherwise you get lots of problem.
It's the water almost on it. It's like hot water now, or?
Going to the it's not yet.
See, this is what it connects the pedal to the propeller. That's what we have.
Have you all tried the various sizes of the propeller
Sorry?
to test the effectiveness?
Oh, yeah. 5, 6 different sizes. Yeah, this works.
So you found this is the best?
Yeah. At this moment. Right now, full speed, can do almost like 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, all done, except the rudder.
And the propeller is at this angle or
It will drop down. Like, see what happened is it moves, right, that arm. So whenever you hit like a shallow ground, it will just push back. So you can actually stay.